With nearly 5 million stroke survivors in the United States today, there's a great need for quick rehabilitation after this devastating occurrence. Stroke survivors of all ages often have to relearn daily life skills and rely on doctors, nurses, and rehabilitation specialists to get back to a normal life, or at least as close to normal as possible.
In simplest terms, it's a combination of passive movements, where a therapist moves your body for you, and we'll do that until you're able to regain some movement yourself. Then the next step are what are typically called active assistive exercises, where the therapist is helping you move and you're making attempts to move yourself.
When a person suffers a stroke, the electrical signals from the brain can't reach some muscles, often in a hand and or foot. If the muscles don't receive the signals, they become weak. There's now a new technological innovation for use at home by the stroke survivors called the BioMove 3000.
Use a device like the BioMove to target one muscle, possibly maybe one of the shoulder muscles. And then as the patient gains recovery of that more proximal muscle, then you would shift and use the device maybe on another target muscle.
The BioMove uses an advanced form of biofeedback combined with electrical muscle stimulation to connect weak signals from the brain to the affected muscles in the hand and foot. The BioMove reteaches those muscles to contract and ultimately get stronger.
The BioMove really can't compare to other electrical stimulation units, only because there's not any other machine that uses EMG triggers to fire the muscle.
The BioMove offers the stroke survivor a new advanced rehabilitation tool, allowing people to recover in the comfort and privacy of their own residence. The BioMove is easy to operate and can be used equally well for adults and children.
This technology is beneficial to other stroke patients because it makes the brain work to fire a muscle.
The BioMove method of in-home rehabilitation could give stroke survivors a new chance to regain muscle control and dramatically improve their quality of life. For more information on the BioMove 3000, go to www.biomove.com.